Okay, so now we move to the next slides. Here is about advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Okay, so in our previous video, sorry, okay, inside the video that I've showed to you is also that person also okay have introduced to you some of the benefits of using cloud computing. So here another important benefits of using cloud computing okay in our daily life. Okay, the first one, it will be more efficiency, right? So the cloud computing will deliver the information more faster and more accurate. Okay, all right, and it's also for easy implementation. Okay, because a cloud hosting will allow okay the business to retain the same application and business processes without having to deal with the back end technicalities. Okay, all right, so it's also cost saving. Okay, because the cost okay will keep okay at the minimum with the cloud hosting services. Okay, all right, and then accessibility. Okay, you can access your data anywhere, anytime, okay, from multiple locations, all right, and then also mobility, all right. So you also can work okay on okay any premises okay or any remote locations okay as long as you can easily access to the cloud services. Okay, all that you need is an internet connectivity, internet connection. Okay, so here also we want to discuss a significant challenges of using cloud computing. So first is of course the network connectivity dependency. Okay, so the cloud computing is entirely depend on the internet connections. Okay, so this direct tie up with the internet means that the company or any individuals need to have a reliable and consistent internet service as well as fast connection and bandwidth to have the benefits of cloud computing. Okay, so the next disadvantage of cloud computing is security threats. Okay, the security issues. Okay, so in the cloud, one of the important drawback okay while working with the cloud computing services is of course the security risk. Okay, so before adopting any cloud technology you should be well aware of the facts that you will be sharing all your information okay to a third party cloud computing service provider. Okay, so you need to bear in mind hackers might access to this information. Okay, and then another disadvantage is a lack of support in cloud computing companies. Okay, and that also can fail to provide proper support to the customers. Okay, all right. And then, moreover, they want their users to depend on FAQs or online helps, which can be a tediously job for non-technical persons. Okay, all right. So next, okay, is about the examples of usage, okay, of cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing underpins a vast numbers of services. Okay, that includes consumer services such as Gmail or the cloud backup of the photos of your smartphone, right, to the services which allow large enterprises to host all their data and run all of their applications in the cloud. Okay, so Netflix okay relies on cloud computing services to run its video streaming service and its other business system too. All right, and then have a number of other organizations. Okay, so cloud computing is becoming the default options for many applications. Okay, so software vendors are increasingly offering their applications as services over the internet rather than standalone product as they try to switch to subscription model types of business.